What's up, guys? Today going to replace head gasket on 2011 Chevy Cruze. We did replace the whole engine on Chevy Cruze on another car, but we're going to sell this engine. This engine have 33,000 miles. Too small for this engine, but needs head gasket. Going to do that. We're going to see, open and see what else we need inside there. Hopefully you don't need that much. I only order the valve cover, the whole thing, the gasket. If you compare with the gaskets, it is cheaper with the whole thing. Yeah, and then I'm going to do the that is for sale. This engine, I'm going to sell it. If you're in MD area, it is for sale. And I'm going to do. We're going to include everything. Going to do oil filter. I'm going to include that one and exhaust manifold gasket, intake manifold gasket. This one over here, the thermostat, going to do brand new. What else? And then I think I'm going to include a oil too, and I'm going to clean the injectors. I have other intake manifold. Yeah, I think I have the sensors. Going to do that, but I'm not going to put the coil because that one I'm not going to do that. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe. So enjoy the video. Alright, guys, the stereo parts. It is E18 for this. Hopefully, come out. Watch this ball. Sometimes you have to use the extractor, but you don't need this one. Oh, it's just sit like that. Okay. Okay, we don't need a mark on this. That's good. Just have a groove inside there. Let's put it on the side. Let us take the tensioner off. I don't know what size it is. Look at this one. I don't think so. You can use this guy. I think E11. I think it's not sure. Nope, it's bigger than that. I don't think I have that one. I think I lost one of it, so I don't think it's here. We could use this one, but it looks. I don't know. We could use this one either way. It is E16, but I don't think it is this one, the right one. But either way, it came off. Ready? Now let's take this bracket off. It is 50 millimeter. That is how many bolts there is. There's one on the top, two on the bottom. And don't take the bolts, put it inside with them there. While I'm spinning. So okay, so it's annoying. The water pump's going to hold me, but I'm going to sneak it out either way. I will try. Take the bolts and they will come out. So put the bolt back because you don't want to forget, and I leave it there. That's the good way to do. But I think they're all the same. But leave them inside there. And now we're going to take this cover off. It is belts, not a chain one. So I have to bring different tool for this. I think it's 10 E10. I think. Not sure. Let me bring a tool. I did both for this cruise because I was doing a the stamp, and then you need to have smaller one. I have this kind of one. This one doesn't fit inside here, so I need the shallow one inside. This one's not shallow. I did buy for this car. Always you have to buy new tools. Alrighty, guys, going to use ratchet. I wish I can use a gun, but I don't have the right tool. I don't know. I lost it. I think somewhere else. Somewhere. I don't know where it is. That's oh, it doesn't take that much. The tool size, it is, yeah, E10. It's the correct one. 10. This one's new. I got it from Amazon. I get it for this car specifically. For to do the, I told you to do the oil pan. I believe all of them, they're the same size the bolts. Let's find out. Let me see what kind of the color. Maybe they're different too, but we'll see. Yeah, they're not the same color. Let me take a picture. So I'm using a fan under my shirt down here. Okay, so the silver kind of one, not the silver, but I mean this one. I want to take a picture. I want to put the right place, but you don't need to. They're the same. If you want to put it that way, you can do that. But I always would take a picture. All right. So I think I can remember the rest of it. It makes it. They're the same size, so it doesn't matter that much. Okay, here we go. One cover's off. Only one bolt left inside here. We're not going to put on the mark right now because you don't need to. But if you want to do that, I think you have to get a tool for this. I didn't get any tool. For now, we're going to put on the floor the stuff. This one holding clips on the side. You need to have a screwdriver to pry it up. Can I do that with that? Okay, I need some screwdriver. Alright, guys, get some screwdriver. Going to do it. Screwdriver down here. Okay, yeah, yes. So, way to take it off the down here. Just use screwdriver. Don't break it. So now we're going to take this one off, and then I'm going to tear the rest of it. So we need to have a tool for this to make it loose. Inside is so clean. I mean, it's brand new engine. I would say it's almost good mileage on it. That's already okay. Let me bring a tool and then it has tear parts. Or I guess it is T15 down here. Let's make it loose. So we have to bring a tool down here. It's Allen key. I don't know what says yet. Let's bring that one and then put it inside and then let us turn this one. We don't need to make it loose this one. We only need it after up here. So we're going to leave this one. It is T6. No, I think it's T6. No, it is HW6. Let's try to turn this guy. Let's turn this way. I'm gonna take the belt off. Oh, we already take it off, so okay, so out. Okay. So before you loose it out, take the adjuster belt. We didn't make it loose. That doesn't matter, but don't make it loose. Take the belt off first. But let me take it off from here because it's going to take the cover off. We'll take the cover off. I think you don't need to take it off. This is the tensioner, but doesn't matter that much. And I'm going to take this one, but not right now. It has go up here. We're not going to replace this belt. Almost brand new, I would say. We don't need to put a mark too because it doesn't matter that much. It's almost brand new, that one, so we're not going to test that one. Now it has go up here. Let's go up here and then it has tear apart from there now. It's very easy. It's not that much hard, just if you saw it. To tear apart always easier. Alrighty. Let's tear apart now from up there. That is 10mm for sure. Not 10mm, but it is 10 E10 for this guy up here. I didn't take it off last time. We did replace new one on there because it always leaks from here. Yep, took everything. Need screwdriver again. I think small screwdriver might take it off. Or we need bigger one. It's almost out. Okay, it's almost there. The gasket's holding us. Alright, we're out. I'll just put it down here for now. We don't need it at all. I can take this one off. So, alrighty. So, let us take the bolt for this one, the cover down here. It's the same size, 18. Put a cover down here. There's one bolt for that. I believe only there is one. I think looks like it's only one. Take that one off. You can mix them. They're the same. Okay, so now we're going to take these bolts off. I don't know what size it is. We have the, I think. Okay, let's see. Oh, we have, I don't know if we have to, but I'm not sure. Oh, we have. Alright. It is E12. Just break loose. And then going to use our gun. And then later on we're going to time it. We could time it before, but it's not the issue. I'll show you how to do it. If you time it, doesn't matter. If you replace the whole thing, it's the same deal. I'll just break loose. Okay. I'm going to replace the bolts. Inside so clean. Sometimes if people doesn't replace their oil, it doesn't look like this. Front did do this. No. Oh, this one was loose. That's bad. That's why it may be leaky. This one was loose. Compared to the other ones, this one's still. Yep, that one's still loose one. We're not going to take to machine shop because this cylinder here is good. I mean, it's not the worst. Yep, that one is the loose one. Compared to the other ones, that one's the loose guy. So almost finished. So I think I only need is the cylinder gasket, exhaust intake, and this bolt. But let us see the piston how it looks them. Anyway, you might put some new spark plug, but we will see how the price is. Let me see what's inside there. If we need to buy new stuff. A little bit dirt over here, but it's not the worst. But we're going to clean that one, it doesn't matter. I want to see what's inside here. For now, that's. I'll take the bolts off. We don't need this. I'm going to buy a new one. Only was loose over there. This one's the loosest one. Alright, so now this is holding us for sure. Mm, hopefully nothing is holding us. Alright, it has tear apart now. But water will come out now. Cause it's almost out. I'm gonna put it down there. We're going to check it out this one too. If there's issues on there. Okay, here we go. She's out. Okay, here the looks good. Let me take this one. I don't know what kind of brand I'm going to buy. The head gasket. Alright. We're going to see the pistons and yeah. Okay, I'm just checking where's the issue. Sometimes you can see it from here. Someplace maybe. So the bolt was loose over here. So this one I'm going to clean it. Not that much issues, but we're going to see what else we need before do anything. We could replace this gasket, but the gasket looks good. I don't think it's going to do that. I don't know, depends. Does it do that? There's a gasket under here, but I don't think so. I'm going to buy that one. Let me see everything and then I'll be back. Alright guys, all done. It's a very short video. Yeah, so I'm going to clean down here and test it if there's a gap. If there is, you're going to take it to machine shop and they will do their stuff. Going to do the gasket, all the gaskets. I told you that part. So here it is. Going to clean this one too. We didn't put it on a mark. We could put it that way, but we didn't do that. Doesn't matter. You could do it later on when you build everything. Going to start from the beginning, but this one, I'm going to show it to you. It's not that much hard. So yeah, I have the Mazda CX-7. That one I'm going to build it too. That one I'm going to replace one of the piston because one of the piston have issues. Let me show you that one. What kind of issue we have there? Okay, which way let me go? Okay, let me take this fan. And down here, the valve touched it, so the valve spanned because of the timing chain was loose and was touching the valve cover. We did replace that one, and then it's already damaged this one, so it's tapping. So we need to replace one of the piston. The rest of it's good. So replace on time your timing chain or belt, otherwise you'll have that kind of issue. So very soon I'm going to finish this one, very soon. Very easy to do it too. So alright guys, all done. You saw it's not that much hard. It's very easy to tear apart. Tear apart. To put it back, it's very easy too. This one's 4-cylinder. 6-cylinder will be a little bit tricky to do if there's a timing chain or belt. I never saw a belt on B6. Maybe there is, I don't know. Yeah. Yeah, I'm going to order from Rock Auto everything. I'll put every parts on the description down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Until next time, bye.